St. John's College holds a unique place among American colleges and universities and has long resisted excessive trends in higher education. In fact, the New York Times calls St. John's the most contrarian college in America. Through the great books, St. John's develops free thinkers who ask hard questions of themselves and others, respectfully consider a wide array of ideas, and effectively talk across differences, making the college more necessary today than ever. And now it is cutting tuition from $52,000 to $35,000 a year. It is funding the cut through Freeing Minds, a $300 million campaign for St. John's College.
The future of private higher education in America is going to depend upon finding a new financial model. That model is going to have to rely upon philanthropy as a primary source to make education accessible and affordable.
What we do at St. John's is expensive. It's expensive to deliver this education to students in the small classes that we provide and with no adjuncts. But that model is St. John's.
Yet we understand that most families find even our current tuition to be beyond their capacity.
We will get some very substantial gifts in this campaign, we already have. But what will mean a great deal to the college is to get a huge participation rate, to indicate to folks, to foundations, and to larger donors how much our alumni care about this college. And whether folks have the capacity to give a substantial gift or a modest gift, that participation is so critical.
This capital campaign is about making a St. John's education, the finest liberal education in the world, available to all those who desire it.
This is the time for St. John's College. This is the time for freeing minds and understand how free minds can help unite this country rather than divide it. This is the time for St. John's College, driven by the commitment and the support of its alumni community, to step forward and say, we have something very valuable to offer.
Thank you for helping us move this forward.
Freeing Minds, a campaign for St. John's College, will add $200 million to the endowment by the time all pledges are received and will help fund our tuition reduction. All gifts up to $50 million will be matched by the Winiarski Family Foundation with a gift to the endowment. Are you in?
We're in, and we certainly hope you are too.